Our first sheet we're going to print is the first floor plan. So if you double click that, it gives you a title block. It has your floor plan right here. It has a title. This is a lot of wasted space, so what we're going to do is we're going to shrink the title block to make it fit the floor plan better. So if you just click on the title block over in your properties, it'll say 22 by 34. Use the pull down menu to get to 11 by 17. You can see obviously it's like smaller, it moved it. If you click and hold, try to move it over top of your floor plan the best that you can. You can zoom in a little bit, use your arrow keys to center it. If your elevation markers are in the way, that's okay for right now. For this first one, you can see that it fits on there. At 1/4 inch equals a foot. But our name tag or our name of our drawing is down below, so if you click and hold it, you can't have anything else selected. So hit escape a few times. You click and hold this title, you can bring it up to the left, bottom left of your title block, let go. But it's still very long, it goes past the title block, so this is the tricky part. If you click your floor plan, it'll give you the blue grip to drag it. You can drag it over. You just want it to be something similar to this, so that way it's all inside the title block. Lastly, you're going to change your name and the project name. So if you double click the word name, put in your name, all capital. Project name will be project 1. You can spell it out or use a numeral. Those are the only two things we're going to change on the title block. Everything else is going to stay the same. Now we're set up ready to print for floor plan 1. You go to the file button in the top left, you go down to print. You select the high school 303. Make sure it doesn't say plotter. Make sure it only says high school 303. For this particular one, we'll leave it current window. I'll show you in a later video how to do the selected views and sheets, but for this one we'll do current window. Go to setup. Just make sure that all of these are default, so fit to page, center, 8.5 by 11, landscape. So those are all preset. You'll hit OK. You'll hit preview to make sure it fits on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. It looks like it does. Looks very good. So if it does this in the top left, you'll hit print. If it didn't, you'd close it and make adjustments, but this works, so we'll hit print. And then you simply hit OK. It'll come out into the printer, save your work, turn your drawing in.